wake up with a smile, breathe in the new day. Mirror of reflection.
Hiya, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Did you miss me? Because I definitely missed you guys. I hope you've been enjoying my styling series recently on how to style for your body type, how to look chic, how to elevate your look, how to look amazing like you always do. Today I am back with something better, something that will elevate your look and make you look like the queen that you are, you know. Today we have a wig by Luvme hair. What better way to tell you guys I love you than hooking it up with Luvme hair? Okay, that was cheesy, but it was nice. This is how it comes. It has this wrap. Let's just open it up. So we have the wig. We have a thank you card by Luvme hair. Came with this cute little card. Use label to better categorize your wigs. We have two wig cap. We have a hair bonnet. There's the wig bag. We have the hair clip. Beauty sponge by Luvme hair. Whoa, this is beautiful, and this is just straight out of the box. Look at that lace. It blends perfectly with my skin. And the best part about this wig that I absolutely love is the fact that it comes layered.
Me in grace, I am set free. It lifts me when I fall, embracing through it all.
Have you guys seen this? I look like an actress in a movie right now. This is beautiful. It's light, it's beautiful, and everything has been done already. All I need to do at this point is add my wax stick just to prevent any fly hairs, and then go with my hot comb, and I'm good to go. I don't need to glue down anything. See this? Ooh. I always get so excited when the hair actually delivers what it's supposed to. I feel like this wig definitely passed the vibe check because it is so easy and effortless to install. Basically, see, I have not added any sort of glue, and you can see that the lace blends with my skin tone, so I didn't have to go in with any tinting or anything like that. I literally just took it out of the box and put it on my head, and look at how beautiful it is. All the details about this wig, I'm going to add it to my description box. I'm also going to add the link to this wig in my bio so you guys can also shop this look. But I always ask you guys, what do you think? What do you think about this look? What do you think about this wig? How does it look on me? And you know, Christmas is almost here. This is like the perfect Christmas wig, the perfect hassle-free Christmas wig, basically, because you literally put on your hair and you're good to go. When I tell you this wig is glueless and ready to go, it is because pre-plucked, checked, pre-bleached, checked, C-cut, checked, layered up, checked, curled, checked, cute, checked, beautiful, checked. In short, it checks all the lists. It's giving big madam, I have arrived, spray me the money, you know. Let me show you guys what the back looks like. You guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Like this video, and like I said previously, everything you need to know about this wig will be in my description box. This wig again is from Luvme hair, so I brought Luvme hair to you guys because I love you guys. So thank you for watching this video. Have a lovely day.